Hey everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Are you tired of dry, crumbly box mix cornbread? It's time for the ultimate comfort food, a spot-on Marie Callender's Copycat cornbread that's better than the store-bought version. By skipping the box, we're getting that signature cake-like crumb and moisture that you just can't manufacture in a factory. And because we're going all out, I'm also showing you how to whip up a silky honey butter to slather over the top while it's still steaming. If you're ready to level up your cornbread, grab your apron and let's get baking. Okay, we want to start out by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. I've got an 8x8 pan. I'm using just a foil pan, and I'm going to treat it with some non-stick spray. And then I'll just set it aside while we mix up our batter. I have a medium bowl. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I need 3/4 cup of regular yellow cornmeal. I need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, just plain white sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a cup and a quarter of whole milk, 1/4 cup of shortening. I love this thing. It makes it so easy to measure, especially something sticky like shortening or peanut butter, and 1 large egg. Now I'm going to use my hand mixer just to mix it all together. And I just want to mix it till everything's well combined. I want to get that shortening broken up really well. Now we're just going to pour our batter in our pan. And we're going to place it in our oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Okay, while our cornbread is baking, I'm going to go ahead and make our honey butter. I have 8 ounces of softened butter. And I want 1/3 cup of honey. Now I've sprayed my cup measure with some non-stick spray first so that it goes out easy without sticking to the cup, and we don't lose any of our honey that we need. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand mixer again, and I'm going to beat it at high speed. Now we're going to beat this until it's really smooth. It's pretty smooth right now, but I want it a little bit fluffy, so I'm going to keep beating it on high speed. Okay, I'm just going to streak it down and give it a couple more mixes. But you can see how it's kind of changed colors. It's a little bit lighter. That's because it's getting some more air in there and becoming a little bit fluffier, and that's what you want for your cornbread. There, that's exactly what we want. Now we'll just put it in a serving bowl and serve it with our cornbread as soon as it comes out.